Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you assemble and install the remote control kit in the package terminal air conditioner, be sure to shut off the power supply to the PTAC unit's junction box. Your first step is to slide the remote control kit receiver board under the retaining tabs on the plastic support. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to thread the provided screw to hold the board in place. Secure the wires in the notch on the back of the support. Next, remove the PTAC unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Install the remote control receiver module by first connecting the wire connector to the mating connector on the control box. Align the 3 legs of the support with the slots in the control box and snap the module into position. Confirm that the wires are still secured in the support notch. Then replace the PTAC unit's front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Install 2 AAA batteries in the remote control. You can now turn the PTAC unit power supply back on and confirm that the remote control is operational. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.